I'm going to be doing another review for this. Oops. Today I'm going to be doing this whole review, the review on Biore. I'm going to be doing this review the whole week. So you're going to see me go out through the whole week using this product. As you guys know, I've done Biore reviews all the time. Like I have like 2 other Biore reviews. You guys can go look at those. And today I'm got this new one, and I'm gonna try it tonight and put it on my face every single morning and night for the next week. And you guys can see the results. I'm gonna take a before and after picture. This is called the Biore For Your Pores Baking Soda, for great for combination skin, which I have. Baking soda, acne scrub, and that's what it pretty much says. Acid acne treatment and everything. So I'm gonna try this on my face, just like the other reviews. I always smell it, I don't know why. You guys can get another close up later, but I'm just gonna start putting this on my face. I'll put my hair up and just start putting this on my face. It was like $6, $7, close to there. I was very cautious about buying this because I was really about to buy another one of this because I'm out of it. But I was like, I saw this next to it and I was like, and let me try it. So let me get into trying this. First, I've wet my face. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and put it in my palm. Oh, that was kind of a little bit too much, but oh well. So I'm just gonna rub this in my hand and massage it like crazy. So I just washed it off and I feel great. Like, oh my god, my skin feels free. Obviously, I don't know. It's always that first wash and that's just so freaking good. It feels good on your face. But I'm liking how it feels and I can't wait to put it on in the morning, night for the next week. And that's pretty much it. After this, I'm just gonna let the video roll and I will see you guys in a week from now, which is, today is Tuesday, so next Tuesday. Okay, so my skin is usually not like this. For the past week, I've been eating cookies, cake, all that because it was my graduation and then prom and all that. So my skin is usually not this bad, but it's good to recover. I'm gonna be drinking water this whole week, so yeah, my skin's not the best right now because I had a graduation party and I was going in on all the sweets and soda, like it was bad. So this week I'm just gonna drink water and be healthy, hopefully, maybe not, I don't know, but yeah. Hey guys, so I've been using this, oh wait, this gum's gonna be annoying. Okay, so I've been using this Biore product for about almost more than a week now. It's Thursday, so I've been using it since last Tuesday, so it's been like over a little week now. And here are my final thoughts for a week result. I could go more with this, I can make another video, but for right now, I'm just gonna talk about it. So for a week, I've been using this only. The only thing else I used on my face was this like mask I got for like my graduation gift that my friend got me, but that's the only thing that I used extra on my face. Everything was just this. I used it night and morning, and do I see a difference? I feel like it's toning down my scars and all that, but like, I don't know. I would have to look at the before and after pictures. I'm gonna take a after picture after this, if that makes sense. But although I haven't been getting any new acne like scars and stuff, and it says it's great for combination skin, which is me, because my face up here is lighter than my face down here in the chin area. So I think it is lightening up. I'm not sure, but again, I will look at the before and afters. But it was really nice to use. You just scrub it on your face, wash it off every single morning and night, and that's it. Well, you guys can see the before and afters and what you guys think and stuff. But I'm gonna keep on using this until it's like done. So you can just come back and look at my skin throughout the videos. But it's my skin. I think it's getting better. I'm really sure, but I might buy something else to like moisturize and stuff, because all I've been using is this and like a lotion on my face. But I don't really use lotion that much. But yeah, because I have oily skin, so it's just like my face is gonna get oily either way. So I will take a before and after picture. That's all like I have for this review. If you guys have questions about it, you guys can put it down below and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.